a man who's been working for this industry since last 22 plus years, the only one on this planet who knows 152 plus tools and technologies. Why is he going to be here? क्यों है वो यहाँ क्या करने वाले हैं? You'll soon come to know once he himself is right here. He's waiting to be here. We just wanted you all to download everything. But before I proceed further, certain things to be taken care of. Tomorrow onwards, on time. I won't be permitting even 2 minutes of delay. As we are short of time, it is just 7 days. Okay, and we need a lot of support from your side. We are ready to give our 100%. In fact, I should say 1000%. My team is right here for each one of you all. They came much before time to support each one of you all. We expect the same from you all being present here, because your presence also hampers the online learners out there. Yeah, so we start on time, whatever is the time, 10:15, 10:30, whatever we'll be declaring. Thing ऐसा नहीं है कि we'll be assessing you on the last day and then we take a decision that who will be sitting for the first company. We are going to assess you every minute. It's not just with the ones who are present out here in the offline mode, but also for the ones who are there, we're not able to download the files. I'll help you, Yash, give me 5 minutes. Also for the ones who are present out there online, we have a very uniquely designed assessment process in place, which will assess you after every 1 to 2 hours, not even a day. Okay, and our shortlisting will start from day one itself. I understand we're too new to it, it's okay, but the attitude, the way you involve yourself, the way you do whatever we ask you to do, gives us a green signal or a red flag. Yeah, जो आजकल couples में बोला था ना, see a red flag for not being there with the other half. It's the same with us as well. To see a red flag and to see a green flag. At the end, company में आप लोगों को काम करना है. सबसे important matter करता है, what ethics are you carrying? The kind of attitude you carry for an organization. We can shape you anything technically. Trust me in that case. But what we need from you is adaptability, acceptance, complete surrender. Complete 100% surrender कि जो बोला जा रहा है वो करना ही करना है. कोई ifs, कोई buts सोचना ही नहीं. Is this clear? Are we all in for it? Can I have a louder yes from people out here? Can I have a louder yes from people out there as well? Guys, तुम लोग तो अभी तक downloading में लगे हुए हो. I'll proceed, don't worry. Can I have a louder yes from all the 316 out there? मेरी टीम कल से जो भी टाइम होगा उसके बाद लॉगिन बंद कर देगी. We'll stop allowing the login after the time which we are going to allow you. Okay, great. Let me proceed further. How many of y'all are under Vimal Daga sir's guidance for the very first time out here? कौन ऐसा है जो विमल सर की गाइडेंस में फर्स्ट टाइम है? Okay, okay. Online? Online, just raise your hands for the ones who are under first time with Vimal Daga sir. Chat box में मी मत लिखो, raise कर लो hands. Zoom सबको यूज करना आ गया, कोविड ने सिखा दिया है. So quickly, okay. So there are quite a number. Great. मैम संडे ऑफ मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है? So I'm sure the ones who are Linux World students, they know this already, that you don't get any off when you are with Linux World. Sunday, Monday, हमें नहीं पता चलता कि Sunday भी क्या होता है. But that's how it goes with everyone from now onwards. Yeah. Last but not the least, trust me, guys, when Vimal Daga sir comes with an initiative, this is a kind of an initiative which he has come up with, considering what? क्या उनके दिमाग में ऐसा सन का जो उन्होंने बिल्कुल 2 दिन के अंदर पूरी टेबल टर्न अराउंड कर दी, is just that ki, to be very honest, he understands the pain of these young engineering students. He knows current placement ki situation in your colleges. Okay, very honestly speaking, बहुत clear है हमारे सामने की situation क्या है अभी. Tough time है सबके लिए, और ये सिर्फ आप पे dependent नहीं होता है. I understand even your families are dependent on you. Okay, and he himself being an engineer, 22 years back, he understands this pain very well. And he has been really working very hard for the engineering youth community of India, not just Rajasthan, but of India since last so many years. He told me overnight, Preeti, I'm coming. And he was not here in Jaipur. He's like, I'm coming back for next 7 to 10 days to dedicate for these young engineers. And we happened to plan this because we had certain companies in hand as well. So outcome is just 7 days away from you. 7 दिन बोलते ना कि पैसा डबल, वैसे 7 दिन में जॉब हाथ में. So it is like that. It's a do and die situation for all of you all. Each one of you all are competing today with each other out here. No one is friends now. You know, but sharing is something which we inculcate a lot. Jitna share karoge, jitna help karoge, jitna troubleshoot karoge, only these things will take you to the next level. Yeah, don't worry, there is no prior knowledge required. कुछ पहले से आना चाहिए, नहीं आना चाहिए. फिर मैम 2 घंटे में कैसे असेसमेंट कर लोगे? हम कर लेंगे. क्लियर है? So I know it is contradicting, but we know what to assess. But go with open heart. आज का जो assessment होगा वो धचका देगा. बहुत clear बोल रही हूँ, पहले से बोल रही हूँ, warn कर रही हूँ. And the ones who know me, I'm not going to be the same in next 7 days. I'm going to be very tough because I know what outcome I need after 7-10 days. ठीक है? फिर मैं उसके बाद वापस वैसी हो जाऊंगी जैसे मैं पहले होती हूँ. ठीक है? So my tough side would be out in next 7 to 10 days. Very strict, irrespective. You're my old student, new student. You don't know me. I don't care. Is this very clear? Yeah. And again, I'm repeating, my shortlisting for the first company starts today itself. So I'm going to put my heart into it, and you're supposed to perform. एक भी चीज नहीं करी तो खुद ही पकड़ लेना कि मैं बाहर हूँ शायद से. I'll give you a warning, but still. Anything and everything what you've been asked to do. Last but not the least, is everything going to be practical? Yes. Everything what you'll be doing in the classroom is going to be practical. No PPTs. No theoretical. Theoretical, obviously, you'll understand the concepts, but everything is going to be practical. Clear hai? Koi doubt? Anyone in the online frame as well? Any doubts? No? Thank you. Can we call upon our very own Vimal sir? Before that, it's our patent. You know, putting across who Mr. Vimal Daga is, what his activities have been. Can I have Shravan here, please? Okay. So, okay, two things. Thank you, Gibran, for reminding me. Two things which we have to take care of. One can be, मैम हम घर चले जाएंगे, उसके बाद अगर हमारे पास कोई क्वेरी आई तो, once we are back home, मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ के लोग कब घर जाएंगे, ठीक है, but once we are back home, okay, मैम कुछ क्वेरी आई तो कहाँ जाए? अगले दिन आके पूछे या सेम डे पूछ सकते हैं? सेम डे पूछ सकते हो. So we are sharing a Discord channel link with you all. My volunteers are right available out there to help you 24/7. Is this clear? We are sharing the Discord channel link in your WhatsApp groups. Please join immediately. कल नहीं, अभी join कर लो तुरंत. My team is doing that. Second is, we are sharing a Google Drive link. Okay? वहां सर जितना जो कुछ पढ़ा रहे हैं ना, वो सब कुछ वहां अपने आप अपलोड हो जाए. स्क्रीनशॉट्स. तो बार बार क्या होता है ना दिमाग में कि निकालो फोन, स्क्रीनशॉट खींच लेते हैं कोड का, कैसे किया है सर ने, क्या स्टेप फॉलो करें. डोंट वरी. All the steps would be uploaded in your drive link then and there itself. Clear hai? So two things are already there. Is it there in the group? They're already there in the group. If you can check, please. एक बार दिलो, अगर chat box में डाल दोगे तो. डाल दिया? Done. Thank you. I hope everyone in the online frame as well have it now. Please go and join the Discord channel link immediately. If you're facing any challenge, raise your hands out here. For the ones offline. Online, please fill up the Google form. The Google form would have been shared. In case if you're facing any challenge, my team will call you. आप ग्रुप में एडेड ही नहीं हो, ऐसे कैसे? फॉर्म नहीं भरा था? फॉर्म के एंड में तो सब ग्रुप में ही जाएंगे, कोई और सोर्स ही नहीं था जाने का.
Guys, for the online guys, those who are facing issues in downloading the VDI image and the RELNet ISO file. So guys, try the another browser. The link is working perfectly fine, and also try to remove the caches of your browser. So once you remove your caches, so it will be able to download. Just try to refresh your tab of that particular drive link. Okay.
So let's proceed further, and first let's have a glimpse of who Mr. Vimal Daga is, the kind of efforts, the kind of initiatives he run for this organization. Can I have the light switched off, please? Thank you so much. So let's have a quick glimpse of who Mr. Vimal Daga is.
ignorant hai, average hai, demotivated hai. Just in couple of days, they have created a great things, new startup, new idea, new innocence. They have done.
Vimal Daga, the guru of gurus, tech guru of India, having 22 plus years of rich industry experience, has served almost all the top Fortune 500 companies with his consultancy. The only one who knows 152 plus tools and technologies, and the man who's leading the vision of making India future ready is the name very close to the learner's heart. The one who has met the creators of technologies, the father of Linux, Linus Torvald, founder of Docker, Solomon Hykes, COO of OpenStack, Mark Kohler, and many